Hello everyone, welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, we'll explain how to split a hard disk in Windows 10, so you can organize your files better by creating a new partition. Step 1. Click on the search icon on the taskbar, type Disk Management, and click on Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions. This tool lets you manage your hard drive space and is built directly into Windows 10. Step 2. Right-click on the C drive and click on Shrink Volume. This option reduces the size of the main drive so free space can be used to create a new partition. Step 3. Enter the amount of space you want to shrink and then click on Shrink. Windows will calculate the available space and create unallocated space for the new drive. Step 4. Right-click on the unallocated space and click on New Simple Volume. This starts the setup process that turns unused space into a usable drive. Step 5. Click Next, assign a drive letter, click Next again, then click Finish. Once completed, the new partition will appear and be ready to store files. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tutorials and fixes.